Making potato dishes can take a bit of time, mostly because of all the prep. So here's how I like to prep a batch of ready-to-cook potatoes that you can store in the fridge or freezer and cook whenever you need them. If you're using gold potatoes, just give them a good scrub and wash. No need to peel. Then trim off any sprouts or dark spots, since those can taste bitter. Cut them however you like, cubes, wedges, sticks, or even a mix. I usually keep different cuts in separate batches so they cook evenly later. To parboil, add the potatoes to a pot and cover them with cold water. Add about half a teaspoon of salt. This helps season the potatoes from the inside as they cook. Bring the water to a boil over medium-high heat, then lower it to medium-low and let them cook for about 5 minutes depending on the size. Give them a quick stir once or twice while they're cooking. To check if they're ready, pierce one with a fork. It should go in easily, but the potato should still feel firm and not fall apart. Once they're done, drain them in a colander and let them cool. While they're cooling, you can make a quick seasoning mix in the same pot. 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder, half a teaspoon each of paprika, salt, and black pepper, and about 2 tablespoons of light olive oil, or any neutral oil. Sometimes I like to switch it up with Italian seasoning or even a little curry powder. You can make a few different mixes if you want some variety. Once the potatoes are cool, toss them in the seasoning, and that's it. They're ready to cook right away or store for later. If you're storing them, let the potatoes cool completely first. Then transfer them to an airtight container. They'll keep well in the fridge for up to 3 to 4 days. For longer storage, you can freeze them. Just line a container with parchment paper and spread the potatoes out in a single layer so they don't stick together. If you like a crispy outside and fluffy inside, the air fryer is a winner. Spread them out in a single layer and air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes, giving them a shake halfway through. These are perfect any time of day. Pair them with breakfast eggs, throw them on the side of a quick lunch, or serve them up with dinner. For a quick dip, try mixing sour cream with a little sriracha. It goes really well with these flavors. And if you don't have an air fryer, no problem. They turn out great in the oven on a sheet pan or even in a waffle maker.